Hey, good afternoon, guys. I got a Freightliner. It's a 10-wheeler, but it's an M2. And we're going to be doing the crankcase coalescing filter today, which is under here. I'm going to take that off, change the filter out. It's just a regular routine PM. That's the new filter. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, all I use in get this apart, it's a 1/4-inch drive, 8mm socket, and that's all you need to take that off. You gotta be careful because the bolts do strip out. And this is a Cummins ISL 9. It is a 2016. So let's get after it. Be right back. Alright guys, that's the port number of the coalescing filter. Here's a fleet card number. It is right there, CV50628. And I take this time to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do.